So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to turn the receiver on. The receiver is this black box here. You're going to take the remote for the receiver. You're going to hit the power button, which is the red button at the top right. There you go, power's on. You always want to turn the power on before you turn the TV on, and then you want to turn the power on this off after you turn the TV off. The only two buttons you'll need once the power is on this controller are the volume. The volume up, then this is volume down. So you're going to turn on your Roku by pushing the power button. Once Roku's on, it will load up. If when you turn on the TV you get this screen, just turn off the Roku and turn it back on and you'll see the Roku pop up. So here are a couple things to troubleshoot if you have issues. If this is not powering up or down, then what you need to do is check this. This is a surge protector system that powers this whole area. So you need to make sure that this middle button is on. So if there's a power surge or blackout, sometimes this whole unit will go into like a safety mode and shut down. And so in order for you to turn this system back on, you have to hit this power button, the middle button first. Once it's on, then you'll be able to turn the receiver on and off. You never have to turn that system off. Once it's on, just keep it on all the time. Another thing to troubleshoot is if you're not getting audio through the TV, you're going to make sure that you're in the right input. The only input you need to use is TV audio right here. So you're just going to make sure TV audio is selected. If you're not getting audio out of the rear speakers, you're going to make sure that sound mode is in stereo, multi-channel stereo. The rest of these buttons never have to be touched. Just try to avoid touching them as much as possible to make sure you keep the settings working and you don't run into issues. So again, once you're done watching TV, you just hit the big red power button and turn it off after you've turned the TV off. That is it.